I changed. I just got to my office and oh my goodness. I have to go through these and see what came in to show you guys. Okay, I just quickly started opened all the boxes so they're already open. And I don't even know what to do right now because I just started to open this box and look, it's a whole suitcase. It's a little mini suitcase. It's from LA. It's so cute. I started to open it and I'm like, are you kidding me? How freaking adorable is this? Oh my god. I don't know what's in here because I just did it, but it's a suitcase. Oh my god, it's all their products. How freaking... I'm done. So cute. I'll show you what's inside here. I just read the card they sent and it's perfect. They were like, you need the travel case for broadcast. Honestly, going and doing TV segments all the time, this is like the perfect little thing. But look at everything in here. They have the night moisturizer 24, another moisturizer. This little bag came with a strap. I love the Olay wipes and night serum. Oh, and eye cream. I can't wait to try these out. Guys, oh my god, this is adorable. The next package is from a boutique called St. Lucille. It's actually in Florida. And they sent some really cute stuff, and I can't wait to try it on. I'm going to do a whole try on, and then you'll see it. But look at this for the fall, this little top. With these jeans that I had to try because they're like so right now. These like paper bag waist style, they like cinch a late wash. I'm going to try these with this top. I feel like they're going to look really adorable. Here's the name of it if you guys want to see, but I'll tag it too. She has really cute stuff. And this really got me. Look at this little dress. I mean, I need somewhere to wear it if anyone has any good places, but I am so excited. This is so perfect. It has like this deep V, but then the long sleeves, which is hard to find some of these dresses with the long sleeves, so I can't wait to wear this. I'll show you guys it in a video. The ingredients are incredible in them, like nothing bad. I'm not going to show you all of them because there's actually 2 big boxes of stuff with all these things in it, so they'll be everywhere. But I'll be talking about them. You'll see them on my stories. This box is for the Beauty Shortlist Awards that I'm judging. It's full of beauty products. This brand entered last year, Earthwise Beauty, and I love their products. Love them. They're so good. They smelled and try last year. Sun God face mask. So I can't wait to... Oh, it's a powder. Look at that. It's a face mask. Oh, that you mix with water. So I have 2 more to show you. This one is for a feature I'm doing on my site, Live the Glamour. We're doing it on how to get rid of like dark spots and scars. Like so many girls complain about this. So I think I have products that actually work. This is another one I'm going to try. And hopefully it does the job to get rid of them. This one says it does. Like dark spots, age spots, acne scars. So I'm excited to try this. Last one, this is also for the Beauty Shortlist Awards. And I love that they told like a little bit of the story of the product. It was originally created for Amanda, the owner's son's eczema. So that's honestly the best way a lot of products are made is when you're like dealing with something to find a solution and then you're able to package it and turn it into a product. Ooh, look at this. A hair mask. That was another one they talked about. And then this body lotion. I feel like because it was created for a baby or a kid, so it's probably really gentle to try. So it's part of the Shortlist Awards.